Administration Building, the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. We have Glue Snalpa JL here today.
Old Otis.
We have modded Old Otis.
Yep, it's over there.
Yep.
All push is going to be locked. We're on two. Press one.
Yep. Come on, close.
Right, this is
Modded Otis's.
Yep.
Bunch of numbers.
All right, send her back to two. That's the original floor indicator up there, it looks
Yep.
like.
The Old Otis, capacity 2,500 pounds, installed in 1966.
I wonder who did the mod on these.
I have no idea. It's probably Hotchkiss Elevator Company. I can't get this thing. Look, there we go. Emergency phone to U of A Police Department.
Yeah. Let's try the other way. Okay. Power stop.
Yeah. I get the. Alright, this is also 2,500 pound capacity. This is elevator number 2.
Identical cars.
Both identical. Here's Alex's camera, and we're stopping.
Yep. We're gonna be picking somebody up here, it looks like.
Is there room for?
Yes, there is.
Yes, come on in.
And I think I remember you, sir. I remember you from Gold Simpson.
I don't remember you, man.
Oh, are you FedEx?
Yeah, FedEx.
Oh, I think it was one of the other drivers.
Another guy.
Yep.
Send her up.
Can you put number 6, please?
Yeah, and we're gonna have a nudge buzzer.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Is that filming?
Yep.
We film elevators.
Oh, for real?
Yes.
Like you just try different elevators on and see
Yeah,
what's up?
it's a hobby. We've done it for most of our lives.
Really?
We've done it ever since I was little. That's how these guys.
Sorry. Excuse me, guys. Have a great rest of your day, man.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you for delivering.
Yeah. No
We're going up to 7 though.
problem.
Thank you for pushing to Alex. And there's Alex's camera again. All right, you're 7. This is another Old Otis. And GAL interlock, and the door closes. Just let it close. There we go. Original indicator, fluorescent lights.
Just like the other car.
Fan does not work. All right, I'm gonna get off here.
Oh, someone's coming out of the bathroom. Let's let him by. That's it.
That's it.